Another feature of the Display Manager is the script control. This control allows the operator to execute a script, which is a file that contains a communication command task and has been previously created by an operator. This feature is mostly convenient for displays used at sporting events and requires an operator to be on site, sending the messages to the displays as the need arises. The script control view opens by default with 5 pages divided into cells where you can set up different scripts. Each page can be activated by clicking on the corresponding tab. The Configure Pages button allows you to set the page configuration you prefer. Venus 1500 software provides the operator with 2 script options, Run Message and Blank Display. When creating a script, the first thing you can do is to customize the pages of the Schedule Control view to make the scripts listed on the page more easily identifiable. For example, we'll set up a page for football plays. To do this, right-click on the tab of the page to be renamed. Let's say the tab for page 1. Then, click on the Rename Page button to open the Rename Script Page dialog box. Enter the new name for the page, Football Plays, and click on OK. You'll now be able to read the new name for that page on the tab for page 1. Another thing you need to consider before you begin working on the script control is that messages contained in the script must be in the stored messages list, as the script itself will not actually send the messages to the display. So now what we're going to do is right-click on the cell of the script table where the script should be located. Click on New in the pop-up window and select Run Message for the Venus 1500 script wizard to appear. Click on the down arrow next to the Display Type field and select the display type the script is being created for. The field below the Type field will list all of the configured displays for the specified display type. Choose from the down arrow the corresponding display type and then click on the desired display in the list to specify which of them the script is being created for. In this example, we selected a Galaxy 48 by 96 RGB 32,000 colors version 3 display. Click on Next to continue. Then, click on the plus button and a File Browse window will appear. This allows the operator to select the messages to include in the script. Click on the down arrow next to the Library field and navigate to the desired library where the message is stored. Select the desired message or messages and click on OK. The selected messages will be listed in the playlist window. Use the up and down arrows to rearrange the order of the messages in the script. Click on Next to continue. In the next window, select the desired priority option for the script. Clear the playlist, then play a message is a command that will clear all messages being played on the display, and instead play the message contained in the script. When the messages in the script are finished running, the display will be blank until a new playlist has been sent to it. Play a priority message will leave the current playlist on the display intact, but will interrupt it and play the script message instead. As soon as the script is complete, the playlist will resume playing on the display. If multiple messages have been selected, then this option will be disabled. Add to playlist will not interrupt the playlist on the display. Rather, the messages contained in the script are added to the end of the playlist. The play message options are either continuous, which will allow the script to play continuously until the messages are removed from the playlist, number of times, which allows the operator to set a limit to the number of times the messages in the script will appear on the display, and select a frame, which allows the operator to select an individual frame of a message to be displayed. This option is only available when Clear the Playlist and then Play a Message is selected, but is disabled when multiple messages are selected to run. Click on Next to continue. Enter a name for the script and click on Next. In this example, we named the script Touchdown. The summary window is the last window in the script wizard, and it displays all of the settings that were configured for the script. Click on Finish to complete the creation of the script, or click on Back to return to previous screens and change a setting. You can also create a script to blank the display, that is, to clear the display of all the messages that we're running. To do this, right-click in the cell where the script should be located. This time, select Blank Display from the pop-up menu. Then, enter a name for the script in the name field. We will call the script in this example Blank Display. Select the displays that the script is going to blank and click OK. The new script will now appear in the corresponding cell. If you wish to change a script, there are different things you can do depending on the kind of script to edit. If it's a script with messages, right-click on the script to be edited and select Edit from the pop-up menu. The Script Wizard Edit window will appear. Click on the item to be edited from the list on the left of the Script Wizard. The right side of the screen will show the previously configured information for that setting. Let's say you'd like to change the script name. Simply click on that option and the corresponding window will open for you to change the field you need. We'll change the script name to Halftime. If you're editing a blank display script, right-click on the script to be edited from the script table and a window will appear with the script's information. Make any necessary changes either by selecting a different display or changing the name of the script. Next, click on OK to save the edits. Once a script is created, it will appear as a button in the cell it was created for. What you need to check first is that you are connected with the display by clicking on the Get Status button. Once you are connected, right-click on the Cell button and from the pop-up menu select Send Script Messages. This will send the script to the stored messages list before running it. Then, if you click on that Cell button, the script will run in the display. You can check this by switching to the Message Control view. You should be able to see the script in the Running Messages list. Another action you can perform is copy and paste existing scripts on a page to another script page. Just right-click on the script to be copied. In the pop-up menu, click on Copy. Then, move the cursor to the page the script should be copied to and right-click where it will be placed. When the pop-up menu appears, click on Paste. To delete a script, simply right-click on the script you want to remove and click on Delete. The script is immediately removed from the table. If you want to change the appearance and size of the pages of the script table to meet your individual needs and preferences, click on the Configure Pages button and the Configure Script Pages window will appear. All the numbers that appear in this window are set by default, but you can change them at your convenience. Simply click inside the desired field and type the number or use the up and down arrows. Take into account that the maximum number of rows is 20 and the minimum number is 1.